What's up, guys? Today is Saturday, March 23rd. Right now it's about 1. Yup. Out here checking out my birds on the coop. That's the owl. This is a temporary training cage. Just let him or her come out. I still haven't sexed that bird yet. That's the first YB, my Russian Tumblers baby. But go check out the birds. Yep, just had to do this so that is a little bit windproof from cold. The traps right there. I still got to take all this down, but this week coming up and next week coming up is gonna be in the 30s and 20s here in Minnesota. All right, hold on. Slide this out. Hold on. And now, as you can see, this baby, right? It is a plane head. It's a plane head. But to me, it looks like a roller. But both parents are full-blooded Russian tumblers. He's out here on his own. His parents kicked him out. He has that little milk crate. I'm not sure. Speculating, the dad is like a grizzle. White, all white, but has black and gray shading on him. So I'm expecting this one to be a hen. I haven't done the toe method yet. I'll do that later on. Cleaned it out. I had like a deep litter of wood chips and wood shavings in here. Well, wood pellets, I should say. Wood pellets and wood shavings in here. Just kind of cleaned it out. Bird does know how to eat on its own, but it's kind of lonely. Moved out the bottom tray right there. It's not needed. Want to add more ventilation for the parents up above. My bad. I did clean it. Got to do some more cleaning. And then, hold on. Let me open up the bunker for you guys. Check out. Okay, now check out this. This is the second batch, second round. Yep. This one I was able to ban. These two I was able to ban. Size 10. Alright, now this looks more like the mom, but then it came out with a cap or the crest. It still has a feather foot. This one, I don't know, yo. I feel like this is the male. It looks similar to the mom. Looks similar to the mom. Looks similar to the mom. Hell yeah. I'm about to keep this baby. If it's a cock bird, I'm gonna breed it with its sister. Alright, here we go. And then here's this, a print? I don't know. But this one also has a fucking cow. A crest. But that one is a plane. Him and her share the same parents. But this one is the first. Like, what color do you call this? Look at the wings. It looks like a print, but I don't know. Bigger water jug. See? You ready grubbing. But this is the only time that she, I'm gonna call it she. It looks like a female. Yep. She will only eat whenever I'm in here. But if she's alone, she won't eat. Yeah, they still got their food, left their little tray. I don't know. My birds, they don't like whole corn or crack corn. Here are the parents. That's the dad. That's the hen. They definitely complement each other. Yep, just wanted to give you guys an update. You know? Yeah, they got plenty of room in here. It's just, I have opened it. Oh yeah, I use this in the nest bowls, onto the floor, even when I'm doing the deep litter method. Also, roof shingles and my plywood. That's the main reason why I'm using horse pellets or barbecue pellets, because it soaks up majority of the water. And also when I'm giving them a bath, that helps them too. Yeah. Yep, just want to give you guys a little update. 2024, Brittany's going good. Hopefully summertime here, I can start flying some. I've never actually seen anybody on YouTube flying Russian tumblers. I have seen other tumbler breeds flying in a little kit, but not Russian tumblers. So, crossing my fingers. Hopefully, I'll be able to let them fly. When it's a little bit warmer, I do plan to put like another, like two 2x4s right here, just so that they could perch on it, do their sunbathe, and also that they don't have to like do like a little sprint fast climb up here.